How do we know that something has changed? We know that something has changed because something stopped from happening, it stopped from carrying on, it discontinued. And now I have the opportunity to give it the space so that something new can begin. Please don't ever hope for change, because hope is only going to leave you feeling hopeless. If you want something to change, life will support you, but you need you have always got support, always. Life will support you, but you need to do something to make sure that what's going on is going to stop. And it has to stop by you making a choice. And when you make that choice, then it can stop. And then it can cease to continue. So if you want to be good to yourself, if you want change in your life, you've got to look at what's happening, what you're doing, what you're choosing, and then you need to make a different choice. You have to do something different, and you have to make sure that what you want to change must stop so that something new can begin. And then you make the change by choosing something better, not doing the same. What does Einstein tell us to do? He says, if you are going to want something to change and you keep on doing the same thing, it's insanity, because nothing can change if you continue to do the same thing. So, I invite you today to be different. Do something different today. Create a new adventure. Change what you do. Even if you wake up and get up on the other side of the bed, if you go and have coffee and you use a different mug in the kitchen, today I'm having my coffee black instead of with milk, and whatever, the smallest thing that you can do can show you how easy it is to bring about change. So I'm inviting you, go and have an adventure with change and be good to yourself, because you are really the only person in this world that you can absolutely rely on till the day you die.